You know, building emotional security in a children can be quite a puzzle. I really think those early years lay the groundwork for the kind of grown-up they'll turn into. The way parents act with each other and with the little one forms these patterns that can stick around for a long time. And it's not just mom and dad, siblings, school, friends, and relatives all play their parts in shaping who they become. Childhood, you know, it brings its own set of emotional challenges. There's no one-size-fits-all manual for dealing with it, but there are some general principles that can give us a clue on how to handle things. First off, love. It might sound obvious, but showing your kids love and understanding is key. Don't be afraid to let them know you care. It won't spoil them as long as you throw in some common-sense rules when it comes to discipline. Speaking of discipline, most little ones are looking to their parents for some guidance. It gets pretty confusing for them if they're always allowed to have their own way. So, it's on the parents to set some boundaries on the important stuff. But, and this is a big but, being an authority figure doesn't mean being super strict. Let the kids explore and learn on their own. And, it's crucial not to expect more from them than what fits their age and where they're at in their development.